Welcome! In this video, we'll walk through how to create an inbound agent inside the Ava Voice AI platform by Thinkrr AI. These agents help your business manage incoming calls or website interactions automatically, acting as virtual receptionists, sales assistants, or customer support reps available 24/7. Inbound agents support both phone and web-based interactions, giving you consistent, multilingual customer engagement across all your touchpoints. Inbound agents can be deployed over the phone, on your website, through an embedded assistant, or across both. Each agent is assigned a role, like receptionist or sales coach, which defines its function and how it engages with callers or site visitors. To get started, go to the Ava home screen. If it's your first time, the platform will prompt you to create either an outbound project or an inbound agent. Otherwise, click Add New Agent from the Active Agents section. Choose whether your agent should be tied to a phone number, deployed to the web, or both. Next, configure your agent by entering a custom agent name, selecting the language and ethnicity to set voice characteristics, choosing a unique phone number, and using the Listen button to preview and assign the AI voice. Select an available phone number. Keep in mind that each inbound agent must have a unique number and cannot share it with another inbound agent. Now it's time to configure the agent. You'll define how it greets callers, introduce the company or representative, add key business-specific knowledge, and set the primary goal of the interaction, such as answering FAQs, booking appointments, or qualifying leads. The available fields will vary depending on the selected role. While not all fields are mandatory, it's strongly recommended to complete them for the best possible performance. Let's walk through the fields I filled out for this receptionist agent, starting with the greeting. This is what the AI says right when it answers the call. You want something friendly and professional, so I used, "Hi, this is Rahul's voice assistant. Who am I speaking with?" That way the caller knows right away they've reached a digital receptionist. Next is the introduction. This is where the assistant sets expectations and confirms who the caller has reached. I wrote, "You're speaking with Rahul's virtual assistant here at Thinkrr. How can I help direct your call today?" This keeps things clear, confident, and makes sure the conversation starts with the right context. You may notice I wrote Thinkrr, spelled out differently than our company name. This is a trick to ensure the AI pronounces the name properly instead of saying Thinkrr. Now let's take a look at the representative name. This tells the AI who the caller is ultimately trying to reach. I entered Rahul Alim, so the virtual assistant can respond naturally if someone asks for Rahul by name or reference him in responses when helping with scheduling or information. Next is the representative title. This gives the agent more context about who Rahul is within the company. In this case, I used Thinkrr Associate. It helps the AI communicate clearly, especially when clarifying roles or handling follow-ups. Then there's the company name. I set it to Thinkrr.ai so the assistant can confidently state where the caller has reached. Once again, using the same spelling trick to ensure correct pronunciation. This field shows up in greetings, closings, and whenever the business needs to be referenced during the call. Now let's move on to the information to gather field. This is where I listed out the questions I want the AI to ask callers before offering to book anything. Since this is a receptionist helping qualify leads, I made sure the questions were short, clear, and focused on understanding intent. For example, one of the questions I added is, "Are you looking to get voice AI set up in your business?" That gives the AI a quick way to determine whether this person is a good fit for the meeting. I also included prompts like pausing after each question so that the client may speak, so the conversation sounds more natural. These questions help filter out unqualified leads and make the booked meetings more productive. Next up is the key information field. This is where I added some helpful business context the AI can reference during the call, things like what Thinkrr does, the kind of clients we work with, and the tools we offer. I kept the tone natural, almost like I was explaining it to someone new. That way the AI sounds informed but still conversational. Finally, I filled in the primary goal, which in this case is to qualify the caller and book a meeting with Rahul. I also made sure to include a few important guardrails. The meeting must be 15 or 30 minutes only, and the AI has to go through the qualification questions before it offers to schedule. Even if someone asks to book right away, the agent should still follow the flow and ask the questions first. If you're also deploying this agent on the web, you'll configure the web widget next. You can customize the widget's appearance by adjusting size, color, and animation settings. Be sure to whitelist your client's website domain so the widget renders properly. Once the agent is saved, Ava will generate a code snippet. Paste this snippet into your website's code where you want the widget to appear. The widget is compatible with platforms like Wix, WordPress, Shopify, Webflow, Go High Level, Squarespace, and more. You can now assign actions under Manage Actions. This includes real-time appointment booking, call transfers, and sending email notifications with call reports. Before you go live, always run a test. Click Save and Test Agent to launch a test call in your browser using a sample contact. Test agents can book meetings, send notification emails, but cannot do call transfers. Let's take a look at how a test call will sound like.
Hi, this is Rahul's voice assistant. Who am I speaking with?
Hi, this is Max Newman. I saw some information online regarding a voice automation system and would like to maybe speak with a representative to discuss the details and pricing.
Hi, Max. Thank you for reaching out. You're speaking with Rahul's virtual assistant here at Thinkrr. I'd be happy to help you with information about our voice automation system. To get started, may I ask if you're looking to set up voice AI for your business? Or are you currently using a solution and exploring alternatives?
Uh, yeah, I'm interested in the product, and currently we do our calls manually, so I am looking to implement voice AI into our workspace.
Got it, Max. It sounds like you're exploring voice AI to streamline your call processes. Thinkrr is designed to help businesses like yours manage calls efficiently without needing live staff. Our platform can handle inbound and outbound calls, schedule meetings, qualify leads, answer FAQs, and even route calls in real time. Are you currently a Thinkrr user, or would this be your first time setting it up?
This would be the first time.
Thanks for sharing, Max. Since this would be your first time setting up Thinkrr, it's a great opportunity to explore how it can be tailored to your needs. We specialize in automating repetitive tasks, reducing missed opportunities, and scaling client engagement without increasing headcount. Would you like to book a call with Rahul to discuss getting Thinkrr set up for your business?
During test calls, transfers won't trigger. These calls don't use planned minutes but are capped at 15 minutes. After thoroughly testing your agent, make sure to click Save and Launch to deploy it. Once deployed, the agent will appear on your home screen and its phone number will be live, ready to be called or shared. Once your setup looks good and tests run smoothly, your inbound agent is ready to go live across phone and web. You are all done. If you have any questions or require further assistance, visit help.thinkrr.ai or email us at hello@thinkrr.ai. Thank you for watching.